how muddy camp is. There's a little puddle here. All right, here we go. Final 20 plus kilometers. Bye-bye, Lodestone. Like a Lodestone cowboy. No? No? Stopping at this intersection to put hats on, put bug spray on. Mosquitoes are swarming pretty bad. Also shed some layers because the sun's coming out here. They got some blue sky, starting to warm up. As goofy as I look with this thing, it helps protect the back of my neck from those damn mosquitoes. Daryl's getting swarmed, holy crap. We are approaching Mount Olivine. That climb up was unpleasant. You could say it was the least enjoyable section of the trail. So many mosquitoes swarming you, and to climb a steep ascent you want to take breathers every now and then, but you couldn't because you just got swarmed. So, and then there was a ton of blowdown that you had to crawl under. Had a little blood, but nothing significant. 1740, that's the highest point we'll have to climb. From here looks like we've got a nice gradual slope. Oh, no more elevation. Well, I think there might be like a couple hills. Okay, so here is the part where we depart from the typical HBC Heritage Trail. It's supposed to go back in the woods there. However, the Tulameen at this lower elevation is going to be a lot faster flowing and a little too sketchy to cross. So we're going to take a Forest Service Road detour that we've been recommended by the volunteers. So quick little break and we'll get going on this road. Just to clarify, the reason why we're taking this FSR is because we know there's a bridge at the base that can cross the Tulameen, so we don't have to risk wading through in such high currents. The road has gone from gravel logging road to more of a ATV trail now. It's gotten narrower. Well, just when you thought you were out, it starts pouring down, but we don't really care. At this point, we just want to get off the trail. Got some washout here we're walking through. The moment of truth. The last crossing that we have yet to see, because remember the final one we have seen. So we don't know the condition of this. There's a warning bridge closed sign. No concerns at all. Look at this. You wouldn't want a vehicle over here, but we are golden. We made it to the exit point, the bridge on the FSR Olivine Trail across the Tulameen. We know it's washed out here, so we're sticking to the left-hand side. Oh shit, there it is. That's the washout. Woo! Now, first of all, if you want to see what sand fleas look like, Daryl has them and they look almost like chicken pox. The other hilarious part is he looks like he's a soldier from the Civil War with his little knee wrap. Oh, the final little bit of a climb. And we're on that road that parallels the river. Oh shoot, the mosquitoes here on the road are next level. It's at that stage in the hike where we're already done the trail. It's just dumb kilometers on a stupid road to go back to your car. And we're sore and it's hurting and it's not even that great scenery. And it seems to last far too long. The original start point. Good job, sir. Good job. Good job, sir. Good job. Good job, Daryl. All right, I'm gonna sit down. Oh, holy! Woo! Oh, that was such a relief. Holy smoke. Hey Duncan, look up for a second. That's it for the HBC trail. See you later.